Hey everyone, here's a quick video on posting to a discussion board. I can go into my Canvas course, I can click on the Discussions tab, I can find the discussion that I want to post to. If I look at this discussion doesn't look like it has any replies yet, so I'll be the first one. I can go into this discussion board and I can reply and start my own reply to this original post. I click on this, I can type in my reply, I can upload an image, I can upload a link, I can upload or even record a media, I can upload a document, or I can put an attachment onto this post. When I am finished with my post, I simply push Post Reply and it'll be there underneath this discussion board. Now let's say I want to reply to a classmate's. So let's go into a discussion that already has a reply to it. You can see on this discussion board there has already been one reply. So now I can reply to my classmate. I can click on this discussion board. I can create an original reply to this discussion, or I can go down here and reply to my classmate by clicking this reply. When I do that, you can see that it's underneath the test student and I'm replying to them and not the original discussion board. Again, all the same options apply of how you would like to post to this discussion. Make sure that you post your reply so that it'll end up on the board.